Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for business taxes. Filing an extension can provide your business with an additional 6 months to submit your tax return. This crucial step helps you avoid costly late filing penalties from the Internal Revenue Service. It also gives you valuable extra time to meticulously prepare all necessary documents, ensuring accuracy and compliance without rushing. This process is straightforward and can save you significant stress. To file your business tax extension, most businesses will utilize IRS Form 704, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to file certain business income tax, information, and other returns. This form is designed for partnerships, S corporations, and certain trusts. You can easily submit this form electronically using reputable tax software or by consulting with a qualified tax professional. Remember, your extension request must be filed by your business's original tax deadline. It is absolutely critical to remember that an extension to file your tax return is not an extension to pay any taxes you owe. You must estimate and pay your tax liability by the original deadline to avoid potential penalties. Even with an approved extension, interest may still accrue on any unpaid tax balances from the original due date until the payment is received. Plan accordingly to prevent unexpected charges. Once you have successfully filed your extension, you will generally receive an automatic confirmation, indicating your request has been approved. It is highly advisable to maintain meticulous records of your extension request, including confirmation numbers, for a minimum of 3 years. This documentation is vital for your records. Your new filing deadline will typically be 6 months from your business's original tax due date, providing ample time to finalize your return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.